Yeah, actually now this camera might be working at nighttime and I got this good settings for this. Might be trying to do some more footage. So I'm just gonna give you, we're gonna go down that way. It looks kind of dark, but it's gonna be kind of cool at the same time. And we're kind of at this main street. Here's another bar. Let's try that bar. I wonder if that's open. There's a lot of bars like kind of all spread out everywhere. It's kind of a strange city like that things are all spread out. But anyways, this is kind of the main road, so it feels like there's no real center area that's really good for going out. It's just kind of like everywhere but nowhere at the same time. It's kind of a strange, but anyways, we're walking around in Taipei on Sunday night about 1 in the morning, and we're just gonna go down one of these quiet streets, see what it looks like in the dark in the nighttime in this camera. Check it out, Taipei 2023. Okay, so we're gonna go down. I hear fireworks. I'll explain a little bit. Today is actually New Year's Day, the Lunar New Year, Chinese calendar. And yesterday was like Chinese New Year's Eve, so things were really quiet last night. And then today, it's so cool. These little alleys. I'd love to walk down this alley actually, to be honest. I guess it doesn't matter if I do or don't, because it's all kind of the same. I'm just gonna be walking around anyways at nighttime, kind of see what it's like. Looks like a giant cat down there. Yeah, better not go down an alley. Does look pretty cool though. I mean, I would love to go down the alley, but I think all these streets are kind of cool. And the thing about an alley is sometimes people hang out there, smoke cigarettes, I don't know, whatever, drink with their coworkers if there's a restaurant. So let me just see, we're just gonna walk by everything. This looks kind of quiet. This looks a little bit, we're kind of going towards some lights all the way down the end. And kind of what I'm going for here is just kind of walking around these residential areas of Taipei and a Sunday at 1 in the morning. Yesterday I was walking around as well. I didn't have the camera settings like this to be able to do this last night. But it was really funny because I'd be walking down by myself, like completely quiet. And all of a sudden I'd hear all these fireworks behind me, like in the middle of the street. So it's like, god dang it. Like somebody just watched me go by, and then like, you know, 30 seconds later they throw the fireworks in the street, which is kind of makes you realize like how these streets look quiet, but there might actually be people around. Like they might see you go by and stuff like that. Just never know. Actually that happened a couple times last night. There's like kind of people were lighting off fireworks everywhere. It was pretty cool actually. Okay, so we're just gonna meander, and I couldn't tell you which way we're gonna go. Just see which looks most interesting. Does that look most interesting? Or does that? Let's go down this way. So we're just kind of meandering at nighttime. I think we're in an area called Da'an, I think. It's called the Full Moon Bar. Oh, I think it's closer to 2 a.m. Most of the bars are closed, by the way. Oops, hello. So they're closed at mostly 2 a.m. So we're gonna actually I just went around the corner and somebody was like, as I was kind of saying, there's like people around that you don't really think are around. And then I just walked by somebody that was just in the darkness drinking by himself there. I'm assuming he doesn't speak English, so it's a nice reflection, that cat. And there's the cat. It's like a little hookah bar. It's kind of cool. That must have just closed. Comes a taxi, so we're gonna just wait till the taxi goes by. And we got a scooter coming up after that. Okay. So we're just kind of meandering around. It's actually like a bunch of interesting places all up and down here. And down that way. So I'm just gonna meander down this way. Black Pepper Bistro Bar and Italian restaurant. Yeah, actually, if the settings turned out okay, I might do this more often in Macau when I get back. It's a little too bad I didn't do this earlier though, because it's like 2 in the morning right now. So a lot of these places are closed, of course. It'd be interesting to see what they look like when they're not closed. But there's some, yeah, there's like this little shisha lounge, different stuff. Sorry. Welcome to Alley 160. So we're gonna come up on kind of a larger road here. There's a restaurant up here. There's a restaurant right over there. We're kind of on a main street here. I think there's a restaurant that we're gonna walk to. Let me see. So there's a restaurant here. It's kind of cool. So we're just gonna walk through here, I think at nighttime here a little bit. I think most people are drinking, so I'm not gonna walk around too much with the camera, but this street looks pretty irresistible for walking, to be honest. So 2 a.m. visuals. That place looks like that would be kind of cool. Yeah, I think actually I walked by this. Oh, there goes a pretty big rat. Just can't put across here and through that sewer into that space. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go back over to the other side of the street again. Go towards that light where all the we'll see how this ends up later. Daily life. Some kind of French place. The secret cakes of the French pastries. See if this even looks okay at nighttime. I don't know if it will or not. Here's the Chinese New Year stuff. I'm just gonna walk a little bit further all the way to the main street here. Then we'll see how it all looks in the end. Yeah, it's about 2 in the morning. So we just kind of meander around some streets at 2 in the morning here in Taipei. Sunday night. A little bit of a parties. You can hear it going. People are walking around, are drunk, the ones that are walking around. Okay. I'm just gonna end it right there, I guess. So hope you like that. I guess we'll just end it right there. Yeah, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.
amor que minha